Guys, come on over here and cook with me right here. I'm cutting up some of this turkey tail right here, trying to get it ready for those, those green beans and potatoes. Then put them all up in there. I cut the potatoes up. I got some frozen vegetables though. And then look at that. Look at that. We're about to take that off real quick. That's that chicken. Got this tri-bean blend going. Yes, I just put a little bit of my spices in there. That's it. Something simple. Got that chicken. Took that foil off of there. Chicken looking real good. I wanted a little darker though, but got to stirring up those potatoes, green beans, and turkey tails, looking all good and stuff. Then here is the final result. Got these plates made up. Yeah. Some barbecue sauce.